What's going on, everybody? So it looks like we are going to end this year with another update for the OnePlus 8T. And I did post some annoying issues with the last version and looks like someone is watching. Just kidding. So it looks like most of them have been taken care of with this update. So let's quickly get into this one and see if it really fixes most of those annoying issues for us. So if you haven't got the OTA update till now, well, you can either use this Oxygen updater application or wait for the OTA to come. And I would suggest you to wait as of now before updating. Now to get this update on your device, well, first of all, download this application called Oxygen Updater from the Google Play Store. Now open the application and tap on this download update button. And this will download the zip file of this update. And once it's done, simply go to settings. Now go to system, choose system updates from the list, and in here tap on this gear icon on the top right corner. Now choose local upgrade option from the list and choose the zip file we just downloaded. Just hit that OK button and it will start installing the update. And don't worry, your data will not go anywhere. So now we are on OxygenOS 11.0.6.7, and first of all, let's have a look at the benchmark scores after this update. So on Geekbench, the device had a score of 895 in single core and 3226 in the multi-core department. And after the update, the scores are 894 in the single core and 3207 for the multi-core. So no major changes here. Now let's have a look at the changelog. And first of all, in the system part, well, those glitchy gestures are finally fixed. And in almost a day with it, the gestures are working fine as of now. And to be honest, I am a bit relieved by it because the last update just ruined it for me. And for what it's worth, these gestures seem fine as of now. And I'll be posting a full review really soon, so stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't already. After that, well, the issues with Fingerprint Scanner have now been fixed. And I did not have any accuracy or any other issue with it in past, though there was some glitch for many of you. So the Fingerprint Scanner is as usual responsive, and hopefully it should be more accurate as well. Now one good thing that has been added in this update is this option to remove this extra space below the keyboard. And this is really great because it gives you the option, and I appreciate the extra space to work. So to remove this space, all you have to do is just go to settings, now go to system, choose language and input from the list, now go to this keyboard height and adjustment options and choose hide. And now the extra space below the keyboard will be removed, which is a tiny but neat add-on. Also, the security patch has been updated to November 2020, which is not the latest one as it is end of December already. So still not the latest patch, but that's alright, I guess. In the camera part, well, the version of the camera app has been bumped up to version 5.6.57. So definitely there are some changes, and as per the changelog, the image quality on Nightscape has improved. And we had a violet tint sort of in images, and I don't see that now after this update. But the overall image quality is still similar in other scenarios, and even the front-facing camera overexposes images like it used to do. And you can see the difference after taking control of the exposure. So that is the only workaround as of now, and I hope they will really work on it in future. Now in the gallery part, well, if you had some issues with the images disappearing from the gallery, well, then this update should take care of it. Also note that one app has been added to the list of pre-installed apps, and that is this Oneplus Nord application. But relax, you can uninstall it quite easily as you do with other applications. And in case you are not going to use it, well, no worries there. Last but not the least, in the network part, issues with Wi-Fi have been fixed, and though I was not having any issues as such, I'll let you know in case I'll start to face one. And yes, I have turned on voice over Wi-Fi again as I was facing issues with it with the last version. So for now it seems alright, and rest time will tell. Plus, as I reported in past, the screen is still flickering to yellow on white background, but that is specific to this advanced color profile in settings. So if you are using AMOLED white gamut and light mode, well, you are going to observe it for sure. And one more thing, the Widevine L1 option is back now, and that means you can stream in full HD on Netflix along with HDR10 support, so that's great. Finally, about the battery drain and screen on time, and in this I just have to say that the battery drain is quite similar for now. And I got around 6 hours of screen on time on 120Hz with standard usage, and I'll be posting a full review really soon. So that's it for now. These are all the changes in this 11.0.6.7 update for the OnePlus 8T. So do like this video if it helps you out and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one.